Today, we're exploring 20 must-have essential tools for a frugal kitchen. These aren't just gadgets, they're the backbone of a cost-effective, resourceful culinary space, ensuring you get the most out of every ingredient in every meal. Tool 1. Cast iron skillet. This timeless piece is the quintessence of durability and versatility. Ideal for searing, frying, baking, and more, a well-seasoned cast iron skillet provides excellent heat retention and an unbeatable non-stick surface. It's an investment that pays off, enduring through generations if cared for properly. Tool 2. Slow cooker. In the fast-paced whirlwind of modern life, the slow cooker is a sanctuary of simplicity. It tenderizes budget-friendly cuts of meat, melds flavors beautifully in stews and soups, and offers the convenience of set-it-and-forget-it cooking. The energy efficiency of a slow cooker also means lower utility bills, making it a frugal kitchen favorite. Tool 3. Pressure cooker. When time is of the essence, a pressure cooker is your culinary ally. It reduces cooking time dramatically, conserving energy and preserving the nutrients in your food. From hearty beans to sumptuous stews, the pressure cooker delivers the depth of slow-cooked flavors in a fraction of the time. Tool 4. Immersion blender. This compact powerhouse is the epitome of convenience and versatility. Whether you're puring soups directly in the pot, whipping up a smooth sauce, or making a quick smoothie, an immersion blender does it all, without the hassle of transferring hot liquids or the need for multiple appliances. Tool 5. Digital scale. Precise measurements lead to perfect recipes and controlled portion sizes, ensuring no food goes to waste. A digital scale is key for baking, where accuracy is paramount, and it's also essential for maintaining a balanced diet and managing food expenses effectively. Tool 6. Measuring cups and spoons. Before we dive into the topic at hand, I have a small request to make. If you're enjoying this video, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by subscribing to the channel. This way, you'll be the first to know about future content and updates, and it will also help us reach a wider audience. Thank you for your consideration. Accuracy in cooking is not just about taste, it's about thriftiness. With a robust set of measuring cups and spoons, you can follow recipes to the T, reducing the chances of mistakes and wasted ingredients. They're the guardians of your kitchen, ensuring every dish is as economical as it is delicious. Tool 7. Quality chef's knife. A sharp, reliable chef's knife is at the heart of all kitchen activity. Investing in a high-quality knife and maintaining it can save you from the costs and clutter of multiple, lesser-quality knives. With proper care, a good chef's knife can last a lifetime, making it a frugal choice for any kitchen. Tool 8. Cutting board. A solid, durable cutting board protects your countertops and your knives. Opt for materials that are gentle on blades and resist deep scratches where bacteria can hide. Bamboo and certain hardwoods are sustainable options that offer durability and natural antibacterial properties. Tool 9. Silicone spatulas. With their ability to withstand high temperatures and their flexible edges, silicone spatulas ensure you can scrape every last bit of food from your bowls and pan. They're invaluable tools for reducing waste and maximizing your ingredients. Tool 10. Vegetable peeler. A quality peeler removes just the thin outer layer of vegetables, preserving the nutrient-rich flesh underneath. It's a simple tool, but it makes prepping vegetables quicker, reducing food waste, and saving you time in the kitchen. Tool 11. Kitchen shears. Far more than just a pair of scissors, kitchen shears are a versatile tool for snipping herbs, trimming fat, and even breaking down poultry. Their multifunctionality reduces the need for multiple gadgets, saving space and money. Tool 12. Mixing bowls. A set of mixing bowls in various sizes is indispensable for efficient meal prep. Whether you're whipping up a marinade, tossing a salad, or proofing bread, these bowls are the containers of culinary creation. Look for durable, easy-to-clean materials and consider stackable designs for space-saving storage. Tool 13. Baking sheet. A sturdy, reliable baking sheet is a must for any kitchen. Perfect for everything from roasting vegetables to baking cookies, a high-quality baking sheet ensures even cooking and long-lasting performance. Pair it with a silicone baking mat or parchment paper for a non-stick surface that spares you from scrubbing. Tool 14. Storage containers. Proper storage is key to preserving the freshness of your leftovers and prepped ingredients. Quality, airtight containers keep food safe and extend its shelf life, reducing waste and saving money. Opt for durable, reusable containers to minimize environmental impact and maximize your budget. Tool 15. Wooden spoons. These classic kitchen tools are gentle on your cookware and offer a comfort and aesthetic that modern materials can't match. Wooden spoons don't conduct heat, don't scratch surfaces, and if treated right, can last for years, making them a staple of cost-effective cooking. Tool 16. Coffee grinder. A coffee grinder can do much more than grind coffee beans. Use it to grind whole spices into fresh, vibrant powders. Freshly ground spices have a more robust flavor than pre-ground, allowing you to use less, save money, and enjoy better-tasting food. Tool 17. Microplane grater. This fine grater is a wizard for zesting citrus, grating hard cheeses, and mincing garlic or ginger. It allows you to use every part of your ingredients, reducing waste and ensuring your dishes are packed with flavor. Tool 18. Colander and mesh strainer. These straining tools are essentials for a variety of kitchen tasks, from draining pasta and washing produce to straining stocks and teas. They're fundamental for a smooth kitchen operation, ensuring that you can handle ingredients efficiently and safely. Tool 19. Can opener. It might seem mundane, but a reliable can opener is a lifeline for accessing a variety of pantry staples that are both economical and essential for a multitude of recipes. From canned tomatoes to beans, a good can opener ensures you can utilize these affordable, versatile ingredients. Tool 20. Dutch oven. This heavy, thick-walled pot is the epitome of versatility. Ideal for braising, stewing, baking, and more. Its heavy construction and tight-fitting lid provide excellent heat retention and distribution, making it perfect for a wide array of dishes. It's an investment piece that, with proper care, can serve your kitchen for decades. With these 20 essential tools, your kitchen is not just a place to cook. It's a sanctuary of efficiency where every tool has a purpose and every meal is a testament to thoughtful, frugal cooking. Embrace these essentials and transform your kitchen into a space where economy meets culinary creativity. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're ready to equip your kitchen with these indispensable tools. Subscribe for more practical wisdom and share in the comments which tool is your must-have in the kitchen. Here's to cooking with wisdom, savoring each flavor, and cherishing the art of frugal living.